students, now we are in question number 13. So you know that, okay, so how to have this purchase consideration, okay, why this goodwill is appearing in the debit side, okay, you know that, okay, if the deficit or the balance appear in the debit side, it will be recorded as goodwill, and if the difference or deficit or balance comes in the credit side, it will be recorded as capital reserve, okay. So the debentures, they were issued at a premium of rupees 10%, okay, so the face value was 100, okay, 100 plus 10, it will be 110. So 5,50,000 divided by 110 will give you 5,000. So 5,000 number of debentures are issued here, okay. Now case number 2. So this case number 2 is also simple, okay. You had purchased land from Jaiswal Limited, okay, for rupees 4,50,000, okay, and you have to pay to them rupees 4,50,000, but you have debentures of rupees 100 each. So which means then when you have to pay to this person, okay, to this Jaiswal Limited, you have to pay rupees 4,50,000, okay, but you are paying by them issuing the debentures at a discount of 10%. So let us assume that the debentures has the face value of rupees 100. So 100 minus 10 will be how much? 90. So 4,50,000, this 4,50,000, okay, divided by 90 will be 5,000. So this is how you get 5,000 number of debentures, okay. So 5% debentures will be recorded in the credit side into 100, 5 lakh, but you are supposed to pay him only 4,50,000, isn't it? So this is how you get the difference of discount on issue of debentures. Again, I want to repeat, the purchase consideration is 4,50,000, okay, and you are paying by issuing the number of debentures at a discount of 5%, sorry, 10%, okay. So let us assume that the face value of each debenture is 100 because it is not mentioned here, okay. So let us assume it to be 100, okay, per debenture. So 100 minus 10 will be how much? 90 rupees. So this 4,50,000 divided by 90 will be 5,000 number of debentures, okay. So when you pass the second entry for case number 2, it will be as Jaiswal Limited account debit, okay, to 5% debentures account, okay. So in the debit side you write 4,50,000, but in the credit side you will write 5 lakh. So still there is a difference of 50,000 here towards this debit side, isn't it? So this 50,000 will be recorded as discount on issue of debentures, okay. And the last one is very simple, okay. This one is very simple. Okay, so you can see here in question number 3, I mean case number 3, debentures are, first of all, they were issued at a discount of rupees 7, okay, at 7% discount, okay, because this debentures, they had a face value of rupees 100, so 7% of rupees 100 will be rupees 7, okay. So you will receive money on 1,000 debentures at rupees 93, okay. So 93,000 money will be received, okay. So this is your first entry for case number 3. Now when you pass the second entry, it is quite critical in the beginning, but once you understand this concept, it is very much simple. You are redeeming the number of debentures at a premium of 10%, okay. So what is meant by this? So when you repay the number of debentures, you are paying them, I mean repaying them at a premium of 10%. So which means you will pay back 1,10,000 rupees, okay, because 1,000 number of debentures into 100 will be how much? 1 lakh. So you will pay extra 10,000 rupees, okay. So how much is the loss here? First of all, there is a loss here in the discount rupees, at rupees 7. How much is the loss? 1 lakh minus 23, how much is the loss? 7,000. Again you are making the payment of this premium, so 10,000, right? So this is your 17,000, which is your loss on issue of debentures. So here you can see that it is the loss. Okay, so this is how you record the loss on debentures. If you have any confusion, please let me know, because there can be many questions here. Okay, so since you have not asked me any question from the first chapter, so I'm very much confused also from my part. What things have been made clear by me or not. So it is my humble request, please ask me the questions so that I can explain you in more detail. Okay, so uh, if you ask me questions, it is much better. Thank you.